Hello students, welcome back to English class. Now today we are going to solve exercise that is given on 117 and 118. Okay, so as you all know that we were discussing adverbs, I have given you a homework on page number 116. I have also sent you answers so you can match your answers with my answers. Okay, now let's solve this exercise. The first question number A. Pick and fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the brackets. Okay, so here two options are given for a particular sentence and we have to find out the correct answer and complete the sentences. Okay, so first one, Priya writes dash. So options are well, hurriedly. So the word that is most suitable over here is well. Priya writes well. Okay, next, he leaves dash. Here, everywhere. So which option is correct? Here the correct option is here. He lives here. Okay. The old man walks dash slowly, fastly. So here we can write slowly. The old man walks slowly. The next is it rained dash. There is standing water everywhere. So what will we write here? It rained heavily. There is standing water everywhere. Next, she sings dash. She enjoys singing. So, what will come here? The options are given loudly or delightfully. दो options दिए गए हैं. यहाँ पे जो आंसर है वो आएगा delightfully. It means happily. We go to school dash. Immediately or daily. We go to school daily. Okay. Next. The train arrived dash untimely, timely. So the answer that is suited here will come timely. Okay, the train arrived timely. The hare ran dash. You might have heard the story of hare and the tortoise. So in that story, how the hare ran? He ran fastly. So the hare ran fastly. Next, Suresh will come dash. Soon, always. Suresh will come soon. And the last one, the tortoise moved dash. Again, the answer is slowly as per the story. Okay. So students, these are the answers of question A. Now, let's move ahead towards question B. So, some questions are given on 117 and some are given on 118. So, let's solve them. Pick and fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the brackets. So this question is also similar to the first one. Here also some options are given. We have to find out the correct answer and complete the sentence. Okay. So the first question, the children danced dash. So the options that are given are decently, hurriedly. So कौन सा suitable लग रहा है यहाँ पे आपको option? The answer is decently. Okay, the children danced decently. The worker will come back dash. Neatly or soon. The worker will come back soon. Okay, next, the tiny tots move dash. So two options are given, fastly, slowly. According to me, both the options are correct because many times tiny tots means small kids. They ran very fast, है ना? और कई बार वो बहुत स्लोली भी चलते हैं, तो दोनों ऑप्शंस करेक्ट हैं. बट एज वी हैव टू फिल वन ऑप्शन, सो आई हैव सिलेक्टेड स्लोली. सो द टाइनी टॉट्स मूव स्लोली. ओके, नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट पेज. द एलिफेंट ट्रम्पेट्स डैश. सो एलिफेंट ट्रम्पेट्स लाउडली. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द बसेस आर गोइंग डैश. टाइमली और अनटाइमली. So whichever you feel correct, the buses are going timely. The people go to temple dash. Regularly or sometimes regularly. The people go to temple regularly. The baby crawls dash. So fastly or slowly, the answer is fastly. Next, God leaves dash. Nowhere or everywhere. So the correct answer is God lives everywhere, है ना? भगवान हर जगह होते हैं, तो God is everywhere, so God lives everywhere. The student who won writes very dash. Clearly or unclearly. So The student who won writes very dash. So two options are given, clearly or unclearly. So the answer is clearly, because if we write clearly then only we can win the competition. Next is, these men have come here only dash. These men have come here only once. Okay, so these are the answers of both the exercises. Complete this exercise in your book. And now we have completed this chapter, that is adverbs. We have learned what are adverbs, we have learned what are the different types of adverbs, we have learned about 6 types of adverbs. Okay, so far means हमने जितनी भी exercise solve की हैं, plus you have heard my video, you watched my video. I think that जो भी हमने practice किया है, जो adverbs के बारे में पढ़ा है, वो आपको अच्छे से लर्न हो गया है और आप समझ गए हो कि एडवर्ब्स कौन से हैं. अभी भी जो एक्सरसाइज हमने पढ़ी है, जो सॉल्व की है, उसमें जो जितने भी ऑप्शंस हैं, देयर आर 2 ऑप्शंस, ऑल ऑप्शंस आर एडवर्ब्स. ओके, जो भी ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं वो सारे एडवर्ब्स हैं. ओके, सो इस तरह से जो भी एडवर्ब्स हैं, यू हैव टू लर्न द डेफिनेशंस एंड यू कैन सॉल्व द एग्जाम्पल्स, सो दैट ये जो भी एक्सरसाइज है वो आपको एडवर्ब टॉपिक है वो आप क्लियरली समझ जाओ. ओके, so that's all students from my side for today. Thank you and have a nice day.